rear-wheel drive?
We have a rear-wheel drive 2018 Tesla Model 3, and we're gonna change some tires today. And just to give this video is trying to figure out where this red dot lands. So the red dot is right here, and this is the valve stem, and that red dot lines up with this asterisk number 2. So whenever you change tires on a Tesla, find the red dot, line it close to the asterisk number 2, and you're good to go. And so these other tires also have the red dot. The new one, they're gonna have a red dot.
Outside. This inside?
Oh.
Outside.
Oh. Any special markings?
Nah, not that. Let's see. Arrow something.
Okay, we have to look that up. It looks like these tires don't have a red dot or a white dot. Alright, well, whenever you change tires and you see a dot, make sure you put it by the asterisk number 2.